Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will be filming a summer makeup tutorial for you. This will kind of be an ombre eye makeup look with graphic lines, so I hope you enjoy. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Tammi Clarke Tropical Carnival palette. I will be taking the yellow shadow. I'm going to apply this on the inner part of my eyes. Now I will be using the orange, and this is going to be placed onto the center of my eyelid. Now I will be taking this light blue eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this beside the orange. I'm using this navy blue eyeshadow. I'm going to use a paper card to use as a guideline to have a cleaner line. And this navy blue eyeshadow will go on the outer edge of my eyes. I'm going to use the base to make a cleaner line from all the colors. I'm going to be taking these same colors that I applied all over my inner corner, my lid, and then across the outer corner. I'm going to make a thin ombre line all above here, so close to my brow bone. I'm going to take the same colors that are on the top of my eyes, and I'm going to reverse the shades. It's going to be another space over here with another line, but I'm going to reverse the colors upward. On my lower lash line, I'm going to use all of the same exact colors, and I'm going to apply the navy blue, light blue, the orange, and the yellow. I'm using the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. I will be taking this white highlighter. I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of my eyes. This is how my makeup turned out, and I used 2 palettes to create this look, and it was a little hard to recreate because I think I made the graphic liner up top a little too high and it's touching my brow bone. I think it was meant to be lower, but I tried to do my best to recreate it for you. I do have this look posted on my Instagram and my Twitter. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.